Hello there. Yes, that's right. I'm talking to you. Aren't you tired of playing around? Don't you want to be a winner? Of course you do. All it takes is presentation, routine, accessories, diet, and application. We call it the PRADA Method. Here's how it works in the bowling alley. A winner has to look the part, and the first step is choosing the right clothing. No, not that. Yes, much better. You need something that really brings out your winning smile. The road to success is through preparation. So here's the routine. Try holding an imaginary ball in front of you. Bring it out over the toe as you take your first step. Drop it down on the second, and let the weight of the ball swing it back on the third. On the fourth, follow through. Remember, don't step over the line. A workman is only as good as his tools, so make sure you've got the right ones for you. No, don't be silly. No, that won't do. Yes, that's right. You've got it. You also need to eat and drink like a winner. You'll need lots of protein to keep those muscles working, carbs for energy, and why not a little caffeine for that winning edge? Go on, you deserve it. Just be careful with the sauce. You don't want to ruin that nice sweater, do you? Here comes the crucial part, putting everything you've learned into practice. Are you ready? Well, what are you waiting for? That's it. There it goes. Strike! Now all that's left to do is celebrate.